Thicken your curry without changing its flavor.
Hello, food lovers! Today, we're going to discuss a common culinary quandary: how to thicken curry without altering its flavor. It's quite a challenge to get that perfect balance of thickness and taste, but with our tips and techniques, you'll be a curry pro in no time.
What makes a curry thin?
Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand the problem. The thinness in a curry can come from various sources such as watery vegetables, excess liquid added, or simply because it hasn't been cooked long enough to allow the flavors and ingredients to condense.
How do I thicken curry without altering its flavor?
Now, let's delve into the techniques for thickening your curry without impacting the taste. Technique 1. Simmering. One of the simplest ways to thicken curry is by letting it simmer without the lid. This allows the excess water to evaporate, condensing the flavors and thickening the curry. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the curry from sticking to the pan. This method might take a while, but it ensures your curry flavor stays authentic. Technique 2. Using a thickening agent. If you're short on time, you can use a thickening agent that doesn't add flavor to the curry. Here are some of the options. 1. Cornstarch. Mix a teaspoon of cornstarch with 2 teaspoons of cold water to make a slurry, then add it to the curry. Bring it to a boil until you reach the desired consistency. Cornstarch is flavorless and won't affect the taste of your curry. 2. Coconut milk or yogurt. These can also thicken the curry and enhance its taste. Remember, they should be added towards the end of the cooking process and not boiled, as this can cause them to curdle. Technique 3. Adding pureed vegetables or nuts. Another method to thicken your curry without changing its flavor is by adding pureed vegetables or ground nuts. You can roast and grind nuts like cashews or almonds, or cook and puree vegetables like onions, tomatoes, or bell peppers. Add this paste to your curry and simmer until the desired consistency is reached. This technique not only thickens the curry but also adds nutritional value.
What should I avoid while thickening the curry?
While trying to thicken your curry, avoid adding raw flour or roux, as these can change the flavor of your curry. Also, avoid over-thickening your curry as it can make it too heavy and unappetizing. Thickening curry without changing its flavor is all about understanding the balance between ingredients, cooking techniques, and time. Whether you choose to simmer, use a thickening agent, or add pureed vegetables or nuts, remember that the key is to enhance the dish's natural flavors rather than overshadow them. We hope these tips have been helpful. Enjoy cooking your delicious, perfectly thickened curry.